This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information and to find out how you can volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Read and recorded by Betsy Bush, Marquette, Michigan, June 2006. Good Things to Eat, as suggested by Rufus, by Rufus Estes. Section 17. Ice Cream and Sherbets. Baltimore ice cream. 2 quarts of strawberries, 2 cups of granulated sugar, ½ cup powdered sugar, 1 pint cream, about 2 spoonfuls vanilla, ½ cup chopped nuts. Heat the berries and sugar together. When cool, mix other ingredients and freeze. Black currant ice cream. Stew 1 cupful black currants 5 minutes. Then press through a fine sieve. Add a cupful rich syrup and a cupful thick cream. Beat well, then freeze. When stiff, pack in an ornamental mold, close over, and pack in ice and salt. When ready to serve, turn out on a low glass dish. Garnish with crystallized cherries and leaves of angelica. Frozen ice. Cook 1 cup of rice in boiling salted water 12 minutes. Drain and put it in the double boiler, 1 quart milk, 1 cup sugar, and 1 saltspoon salt. Cook till soft, then rub through a sieve. Scald 1 pint of cream and mix with it the beaten yolks of 4 eggs. Cook about 2 minutes, or until the eggs are scalding hot. Then stir this into the rice. Add more sugar if needed, and 1 tablespoonful vanilla. Chill and pack firmly in the freezer or round the mold. Turn out, and ornament the top with fresh pineapple cut in crescent pieces, or with quartered peaches, and serve a fresh fruit syrup sauce with the cream. Fruit ice. 3 lemons, 3 oranges, 3 bananas, 3 cups sugar, 3 pints cold water. By pressing juice from orange and lemons, strain well, peel banana, rub through strainer into the fruit juice. Add the sugar, then the water. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Pour into freezer. The ice that is used should be pounded until fine, and the right kind of salt should be used. Ice cream with maple sauce. Scald 1 quart of cream, add 1/2 cup of sugar, a bit of salt, and when cold freeze as usual, first flavoring with vanilla or extract of ginger. Reduce some pure maple syrup by boiling until quite thick. Stir into it some sliced pecans or walnuts, and serve hot with each portion of the cream. Pineapple cream. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, boil 15 minutes, let cool. Add 1 can grated pineapple, freeze to mush, fold in 1/2 pint of whipped cream, let stand an hour, but longer time is better. Vanilla ice cream. Put 2 cups of milk in a double boiler, add a pinch of soda and scald. Beat 4 eggs light with 2 cups of sugar. Pour the hot milk on slowly, stirring all the time. Turn back into double boiler and cook until a smooth custard is formed. Cool and flavor strongly with vanilla because freezing destroys some of the strength of flavoring. Stir in a pint of sweet cream and freeze. Cranberry sherbet. This is often used at a Thanksgiving course dinner to serve after the roast. To make it, boil a quart of cranberries with 2 cupfuls of water until soft. Add 2 cupfuls sugar. Stir until dissolved. Let cool. Add the juice of 1 or 2 lemons and freeze. This may be sweeter if desired. Serve in sherbet glasses. Currant sherbet. Mash ripe red currants well and strain the juice. To 2 cups of the juice add 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, and bring to boiling point. Cook a few minutes and skim well. Then pour while hot slowly onto the whites of 2 eggs beaten stiff. Beat a few minutes, cool, and freeze. Lemon Ginger Sherbet. This is made the same as the lemon with the addition of 4 ounces of candied ginger cut in fine bits and added to the syrup with the grated yellow rind of a lemon. Boil until clear, add lemon juice and a little more of the rind, and proceed as with the ice. Lemon Sherbet. Put 2 cups of sugar into 4 cups of water and cook 5 minutes after it begins to boil. Add 1/2 level tablespoon of gelatin soaked in a tablespoon of cold water for 15 minutes. Stir 1 cup of lemon juice and freeze. Pineapple Sorbet. Peel and cut up a small sugar-loaf pineapple and let it stand in a cool place overnight with a pint of sugar added to it. An earthen jar is best for holding the pineapple, whose acid properties forbid its standing in tin. In the morning strain, pressing out as much of the juice as possible. Add to this a pint of water and the grated rind of an orange. Boil 10 minutes, add the juice of 1 lemon and 2 oranges. Freeze about 15 minutes until of a smooth, even, cream-like texture, and serve after the meat course at dinner. If you desire a granite, which is frozen as hard as ice cream, but should be of a rough grained consistency, set the mixture away packed in ice and let it remain there for 2 or 3 hours. Scrape the frozen part occasionally from the sides of the can and stir long enough to mix the ice with the mass, but not long enough to make it creamy. Serve in a cup made of the half skin of an orange with the pulp scraped out. Tea Sherbet. Make a quart of fine flavored tea in the usual way. Pour off, sweeten to taste, add the juice of half a lemon and the fine shredded peel, and freeze. Glacé de Gourmet. Make a custard of 1 pint milk, 6 egg yolks, 1 cup sugar, and a few grains of salt. Strain and add 1 pint cream, 1 cup almonds, blanched, cooked in caramel, cooled and pounded, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. Whip 1 pint heavy cream and add 1/2 pound powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of rum, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 pound of macaroons broken in small pieces. Freeze the first mixture and put in a brick mold. Cover with second mixture, then repeat. Pack in salt and ice, using 2 parts crushed ice to 1 part rock salt, and let stand 2 hours. Remove from mold and garnish with macaroons in brandy. Maple Parfait. Beat 4 eggs slightly in a double boiler. Pour in 1 cup of hot maple syrup, stirring all the time. Cook until thick, cool, and add 1 pint of thick cream beaten stiff. Pour into a mold and pack in equal parts of ice and salt. Let stand 3 hours. Pineapple Parfait. Cook for 5 minutes over the fire 1 cup granulated sugar and a 1/4 cup of water. Beat the yolks of 6 eggs until lemon colored and thick. Then add the syrup little by little, constantly beating. Cook in a double boiler until the custard coats the spoon. Then strain and beat until cold. Add 2 cupfuls pineapple pulp pressed through a sieve and fold in a pint of cream whipped stiff. Pack and bury in the ice and salt mixture. Strawberry Parfait. Hull, wash, and drain some sweet strawberries. Press through a strainer enough to give about 2/3 of a cup of pulp. Cook together in a graniteware saucepan 1 cupful granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water until it spins a thread. Do not stir while cooking. Whip 2 whites of eggs stiff, and then pour the hot syrup over them, and continue beating them until the mixture is cold. As it thickens, add the crushed berries, a spoonful at a time. Have ready a pint of cream whipped to a solid froth. Stir lightly into the egg and berry mixture. Then pack into a covered mold and bury in ice and salt, equal proportions, leaving it for several hours. Violet Parfait. This is made the same as white parfait, using 1/3 cup of grape juice instead of the boiling water, and adding half a cup of grape juice and the juice of half a lemon to the cream before beating. Vanilla Parfait. Cook a half cup each sugar and water over the fire until it threads. Do not stir after the sugar has dissolved. Beat the whites of 3 eggs until very stiff. Pour the syrup slowly over it, beating constantly. Flavor with vanilla, and when cold, fold in a pint of cream whipped stiff. Pour into a mold and pack. End of section 17.